You know that feeling when your heart beats faster. Your mind can't stop thinking about that one person. But what's really going on? Is it your heart? Or is it something sneaky happening in your brain? Today, we're diving into the science of falling in love. Get ready, because your brain is about to spill its secrets. Let's clear one thing up first. Love doesn't actually start in your heart. When you meet someone you're attracted to, your brain starts a chemical chain reaction. It's not random. It's nature's clever trick to make you bond, connect, and, let's be honest, keep humanity going. In simple words, love is biology in action. Scientists say falling in love happens in three main stages. Let's break them down. Number 1, lust. Number 2, attraction. And number 3, attachment. Each stage feels different, because each one is controlled by different chemicals in your brain. Stage 1, lust. Lust is where it all begins. That instant spark of desire. This stage is ruled by hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Yes, in both men and women. Your brain is basically saying, hey, this person could be a great match to pass on our genes. But here's the thing. This stage is more physical. Not much emotional bonding yet. Stage 2, attraction. Now comes the real roller coaster, attraction. This is when you can't stop thinking about them. You feel butterflies, you can't eat, you can't sleep. That's because of three chemicals going wild in your brain. Dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Norepinephrine gives you energy and excitement. And surprisingly, serotonin drops, making you a little obsessed. Brain scans show that the high of romantic love activates the same brain areas as cocaine. Yep, love is literally addictive. Stage 3, attachment. Attraction is exciting, but it doesn't last forever. For long-term love, your brain shifts gears to attachment. Two chemicals take over here. Oxytocin, the cuddle hormone. Vasopressin, helps with bonding and loyalty. Oxytocin releases when you hug, kiss, or even hold hands. It builds trust and deep emotional connection. This stage keeps couples together. It's nature's way of creating stable families. So, which parts of your brain are running this love show? Let's name a few. The ventral tegmental area, your brain's reward center. The caudate nucleus, linked to learning and rewards. The nucleus accumbens, processes pleasure. And the hypothalamus, controls hormone release. But here's a funny twist. The parts of your brain that handle fear and critical thinking, they slow down. That's why they say love is blind. Your brain actually makes you less judgmental when you're in love. Science agrees. Now, you might wonder, why do we fall in love with some people, but not others? It's not magic. It's biology. Things like genetic compatibility, physical appearance, body language and pheromones, shared values, and even how often you see each other. All these factors mix together. Your brain is constantly scanning, is this a good match? Here's a question everyone asks. How long does love last in the brain? Research shows that the intense, crazy in love phase usually lasts 6 months to 2 years. But the attachment phase, that deep, comforting bond, it can last a lifetime. Couples who stay emotionally connected can reignite those love circuits, even after decades. Yes, long-term love is real. Science has proof. But why did nature give us love in the first place? From an evolutionary view, love is a survival mechanism. It encourages bonding. It helps raise children. It makes people stick together. Our ancestors survived better in groups. Love was nature's smart way of making sure we formed those groups. Of course, love has a painful side too. Heartbreak. When you lose someone you love, your brain reacts as if you're in physical pain. The anterior cingulate cortex, the area for pain processing, lights up during heartbreak. Dopamine levels crash. Oxytocin disappears. You feel withdrawal, like losing a drug. But here's the good news. With time, your brain heals. New pathways form. You move on. What about love at first sight? Is it real? Well, attraction can happen in seconds. Eye contact, voice, smell, all play a role. But deep, lasting love, that takes time. Trust, shared experiences, emotional bonding, these grow slowly. So yes, you can feel an instant spark. But true love builds brick by brick. Let's wrap up with some fun brain facts about love. Holding hands with your partner can actually reduce physical pain. Your brainwaves sync up. Couples' heartbeats and breathing can synchronize when emotionally close. In long-term relationships, love helps reduce stress hormones like cortisol. Oh, and by the way, chocolate triggers the same pleasure centers as love. Now you know why chocolate feels so good on a bad day. So, what have we learned today? Falling in love is a beautiful chemical symphony inside your brain. It's biology, evolution, hormones, and brain circuits working together. But even though it's all science, it still feels like magic. And honestly, that's what makes love so special. So, the next time you feel those butterflies, thank your brain, it's doing an amazing job.